All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to put together a cohort of agents that want to have executive protection success. I'm going to give you access to a suite of tools that's going to ensure that success. If you put in the work, you're going to succeed. My goal is to make that happen in 30 days. You're going to get access to a video chat feature that me and my teams use to run teams, to do virtually everything for mentorship, for discipleship, and basically every day, I'm going to be in there to answer your questions in real time. I'm going to be in there to mentor you guys in real time, to give your resumes makeovers, help you have the correct professional photos, teach you how to find jobs. You're going to get access to Training Day 1.0, 2.0, as well as a few of our other courses that are designed to teach you the formula to career success that we've used for thousands of agents at this point. So you're going to get personal coaching. You're going to get access to multiple video training models that we have in our digital suite. And you're going to get access to our AI model, our Executive Protection AI model, which is finely tuned to be one of the most effective models at doing executive protection tasks in real time. So it's really kind of a no-fail cohort for coaching and mentorship, and we look forward to welcoming you to this. I'm doing this for a limited time, and it's only going to be offered to probably a select number of guys. So hit the link beneath the screen, join me.